Here comes another video. Working now on a 1995 Jaguar XJ6 Van Pla with the 6-cylinder straight engine, 4-liter. We're doing the water valves for the coolant flow. These also affect your AC. If your AC is not cooling properly, if it's not getting cold, or one side's colder than the other, and that kind of thing, there's a solenoid that activates a valve that opens and closes, I think, these two coolant inlet tubes, and then it basically restricts the flow of the coolant into the heater core so that you basically get a better cooling from your evaporator core. So in order to do this, I've already started this job. Unfortunately, I'm one of those guys that just gets started. There is a bracket that holds there's a bracket here that holds two electrical connections, okay? I've already disconnected one, which is the one that goes to the water valve. But as you can see, they're slotted. And they go right down and in here behind the brake booster. There's two nuts there that basically hold those two studs. Then if you look a little bit further up there, about 1 o'clock, you'll see there's another stud there. That stud actually holds the water valve down on the bottom here. All right, so what you want to do is you want to get those two nuts out. You want to get that third one out, so you can basically pull the whole assembly up and then start disassembling your hoses. Disassemble them one at a time, and then you can kind of transfer them over to the new valve as you pull them off and put them onto the new one. This way you can just simply, put the valve back in place once everything is done, once you've tightened all your hose clamps and everything. I found that removing the bottom right, the bottom left one, which is this one, you're better off removing the clamp on this side, which goes right down there, because then you can remove the whole valve and pull it all the way up, and then you can work on it and remove your hoses and your clamps and such, and then just swap them over. So I hope that this will be helpful for somebody, and happy motoring.